how to apply, change or remove animation on Canva. So if you want to apply, change or remove, then first of all open up your Canva and then make sure to log into your Canva and then choose a design that you would like to apply or change or remove animation. So here I'll be choosing this one, and after choosing your photo, click on your photo and then on the upper corner you will have animate option. Click on animate. So here you can see that you will have all of these animations. You can also like preview this animation by simply touching on them and not clicking them. And if you like one of them, then you can simply click and that animation will be applied to your photo. And if you want to change the direction or to change the intensity, then you will have to make sure that you have a pro edition, and this is how you can apply your animation. And if you want to remove your animation, then you can simply click on remove animation and then you can choose another animation like this one. So that's it guys, that's how you apply, change or remove animations. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.